You just found the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. Aim higher than ever in the all-new Silverado pickup, the truck that digs deep to give you more of what you want and need. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.